everybody, my name is Riverscar, and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Part 11. Now, last episode we were exploring Nebula G34, and now we gotta fight these dragon dudes, so. What the? Oh, that's right, that's my health pack. Alright. Let's go. No. Let's see. I need some buttons. Aw, crap. No thank you. Mr. Zertron, can you help me out? Mr. Zertron. Mr. Zertron. I'm gonna help, bro. Oh God, no! Alright. Mr. Zertron, I'm gonna need you to help me out right off the bat. And then put on jump. Wait. Let's do that. Is there like wait. Bro, is there like no way to get up here? Oh, what's this? What did that do? Oh, I see it. Yeah. That opens it. Wait, what happened to Mr. Zircon? Oh, yeah. Alright. Oh, are you tamed? You're tamed, so I don't have to kill you. Alright, let's go. Nice. Alright, hello monsters. Oh, you don't like these grenades, do you? Oh, you about to get your butt blasted to the next dimension. Crap. Ah! L2 square.
This is a friendly reminder that 857 Echo is not a pet.
Square. Triangle.
These will be you.
What? Oh God, that was a close one. Oh, I'm about to die. I'm out. No! Kidding me. You're kidding me. Oh, what? Whoa! Whoa, Mr. Zircon. Mr. Zircon. Help. Thank you. You're dead, bro. You're dead. Boop. I didn't want to kill you. Oh, what? I'm dead? You gotta be kidding me. Deadly combo? Alright, they did. Alright, now I don't want to use all my proton. Nah, I didn't want to use all my protons.
Sneaking into our restricted area to feed subject 8.
What is the Groovitron? I totally forgot what these freaking pixels are in. Alright. Let's have a combustion.
This is a friendly reminder that 857 Echo is not a pet. And should you be caught feeding it, its next meal will be you.
Oh God, Mr. Zertron! This is your point, and this is my point to use the pixel. No! The pixelizer. Ha 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 ha, take that. You just got turned into pixel dust. Boop! Try to get that. Oh, isn't this party so great? Psych! You're all dead. Okay, so you just can't go that way. Oh yeah, people are at the weapon vendor! Any new gadgets? Nope. Don't throw that health and ammo. Upgrade. Upgrade. How do you upgrade? There we go. Combustor. Which was a... Okay. I fully upgraded so far my groove charge, so that's good. Same thing for my fusion grenade. What about Mr. Zircon? No, close though. You see? Alright, that's the entire pixelizer. Oh. Alright, so just a few more for the proton drum and I should be done with that. Maybe that's all my stuff, so that's all I can really do. Alright. No. Using the trespasser. I don't really like the trespasser to be honest, but I'll hack. Dang it. No. I got this. Whoop. Whooshy whoosh whoosh. Whoosh. Whoa. Got that. No. Whooshy whoosh whoosh. Booskies. Hey, give me all those bolts. And I'm pretty sure at the end of this, we'll do like a trophy run to get all the trophies. So, yeah. Or we don't have to. I don't know.
You have entered the testing facility for a Blargian Snaggle Beast. Chairman Alonzo Drek thanks you for your sacrifice.
Captain, did you know Drek's secret project was a Blargian Snaggle Beast?
It is. I wonder why it wasn't in any of my intel. I was expecting something much less lethal. Don't worry. Just relax and remember what I taught you.
What did you teach me? Captain? Oh boy.
Oh, crud. Is this like the final boss? No, I doubt it. I don't think we're that far into the game, but it's a possibility. And then after this, people find out that he tricked us and tried to kill us. And then he gets sent to jail, and that's the end of the game. Yeah? Nah. We're gonna have to beat Drek. Boop! Oh, wait, no, this is a boss, though. I think it's the final boss, though. I mean, look at the dude's health. I've never seen any other thing that has that kind of health bar. Either he's a final boss, one of the many main bosses, or a few main bosses, or he's like just a special boss. And then there's the final boss. He's like the pre-final boss. No. Can I like... You know what, just shoot the proton. No! You killed me! Boom! Oh, I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. How are you surviving this? How do you only have so like... Aw, you gotta be shitting me. Pixelize me. Hop. Bro, it's so hard to aim and walk because then if you run into one of the freaking... You gotta watch out for the lava pits and... Whoa! You think he gets hurt by walking into the lava pits? Hey, follow me, little guy. I'm across here. You stupid. You stupid. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Oh, crud. Oh, crud. Whoa, he's not dead. What's he doing?
We've lost control of the subject.
Is he what? Oh, crap. What? I'm out of ammo. Boop! 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 Oh, crap! Oh, God! Oh, God! Oh, God! Oh, God! Oh, God! Oh, God! I need help. Oh, Mr. Zircon! Mr. Zircon! Help me, please! Ah! No, there's so many people. Oh, I'm gonna Die. Oh, ammo, ammo, ammo. Shoot everywhere. Shoot everywhere. Shoot everywhere. Ooh, look how many bolts I'm gonna get though. I'm out of ammo. Yes, ammo. Ammo. Let's go. Oh god, that is the most scariest thing I've seen in my life. Whoa, I gotta do a jump. Oh, okay. You know what? You wanna mess with fire? Play with fire, you're gonna get burned, son! Play with fire, you gonna get burned! Oh, I even decided for that. I'm wasting my ammo, to be honest. Where's my health? Oh, I'm about to die. I'm about to die. I'm about to still die. Oh god. Come on. Grab it. Grab it. Grab it. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. This is Zircon. This is Zircon. You deal with him. You deal with him. I need this ammo. Alright. I'll back you up with the fusion grenade. Oh. Crap. Pixel. Oh god! What? What was that? Oh, come on, come on. Health? 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 This is Zircon. I need you right by my side, dude, or else I'm gonna die. Oh, crap. Die. Pixel. 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 Oh, shite. No. People dance! 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 Oh crap! I'm about to so die. This is Zircon. This is Zircon. This is Zircon. This is Zircon. Oh crap! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! You guys are all dancing. Good. Now, find me a health. Heal! Heal! Come on! Oh, I got a car! I really don't care right now. Oh, jump! Jump for it! Oh, what? What? No. No! No! Oh, you little... Alright, so we gotta be more conservative of our health, you know? Just like, oh, you're out, and you're dead. Oh, crap. Zircon and the pistol. Combustor. No, oh god, dang it! Dude, I really gotta conserve my health. Oh, let's go, he leveled up. I really gotta conserve my health more. This is Zircon, are you gone? Oh, you're still. Come on, let's use our combustor combined power. Oh, I'm running out of health, bruh. And this guy's only at 79 health. I'm about to run out of ammo, too. And your boy's out of ammo. Pixel gun. There we go. Alright. Get ammo. Get ammo. Alright. Get ammo. Get a little bit more ammo. Alrighty. Hold it. Zircon. Yes. You little pieces of shit. Get your asses out of here. You little piece of shit. Mr. Zircon. Oh, I'm out of ammo, you son of a fudge. Okay, I need one of those heals though. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Come on, bam. Alright. I'm goodies. Proton drum. Boop! What? Oh god. I'm out of ammo. Combustor? I got 20. Oh god, that thing is risky. Fudge. Alright, think. Oh, I got the perfect thing. First of all, Mrs. Zircon, I'm gonna save you for those really fights with the people everywhere. Take this, like those grenades. Oh! Each grenade does like 2 damage or what? Oh, get out of there. Damn it. Oh, you out of ammo. Oh, wait, what, I know what I need. Use the Groovatron. Yes. No. Yes. Do the damage. Oh. You feel that pain? Oh, how about you have another one? Oh, wait, he's done. Okay. All right.
Appears to have a fondness for falling into lava. Jim, let's boost the neurotransmitters and see if we can add a few items.
Mr. Zircon, then the pixel. Alright. Everything's Mr. Zircon, you deal with all of them while I go refill on ammo. Alright. Thank you, Mr. Zircon. Your help is appreciated deeply. What's this ammo right there? Ooh. Alright. Groovatron. Boop! Follow me. Over here. No! Go! No, this way! Face around! Alright. I got... oh, heck yeah. You, and then you. Boop! And boop! Alright. And you. Oh, we're so close. Oh, I got this. That's my last Groovatron. Oh, Mr. Zircon, you come back. Alright. There's the pink one. We're so close to beating him! Oh, last shot! Money shot! Oh god, dude. I got trophy earned. Who's a good snaggle beast? Oh, let's go. I like that trophy, I guess.
I yield! Please, don't hurt me!
Tell us what you have. Hang on.
Tell us what you know about Drek's plan.
Whoa. Thanks. Yeah, what did he say?
I can give you this info bot.
You watch this one, pal. I'm just gonna take 5.
Greetings, Blarg imbeciles. If you're watching this infobot, you've been selected for the beta trial of my latest invention, the XK-81 jetpack! Though initial testing had a few small setbacks, I'm happy to report that I worked out all of the kinks. Now you can use your XK-81 jetpack to traverse the skies, giving you an advantage over those morons on the ground. The XK-81 jetpack. Come pick yours up at our base on Gaspar.
Dr. Nefarious is not responsible for death, dismemberment, or irreparable injury to your central nervous system.
Captain, it's Ratchet. We just defeated the Snaggle Beast and found out what Drek is up to.
You did? But that's impressive.
I knew it. He was about to say impossible. He wants us to die. And that's why he goes into jail. Anyway. Moving on. What else was I about to say? Aha! I like that cutscene was funny because he was like, giving you an advantage over those morons on the ground! And he had like so much emphasis on it. I was like, that's funny. Anyway. Info card. Or a hall card, my bad. Oh, okay. Mom, I'm gonna have my combustion on. Alright, now. But I wanna check. Wait, what? What was it? Journey outside the airlock. Defeat the Blargian Snaggle Beast. Find the top secret Blarg research project. Got it. Now, search the Blarg worship for weapons. Okay, so right there. How am I supposed to get over there? I gotta go back. Alright. So I have to go back. We could leave right now, but I'm gonna go back. Oh, that's right. This is what I wanted to do. Weapons, gadget, card collection. Ooh, nice. That's it? Oh, whatever. I completed that set. Completed that set. So need 2 more. Need 2 more. Need 1 more. 2 more. Maybe what needs it. 2 more. 1 more. What is it? What? Wait. It's like girl power. Oh. Is she what, my race or something? I've never met this person. Whatever. Fusion. Okay, so I still need a bunch of cards. But on Rhino, I'm doing pretty good. I think the Rhino is the last weapon. Or it's a gadget. Who knows? I don't. But how did I get in here in the first place? Oh. That's where we just came. Oh, wait, what? Alright, which was the exit? It's this one. Wait, isn't this the one we came in from? Yeah, this is the one we just came from. So it's this one. This is the one. Alright. Like that. Now it's somewhere in this room. Where is it? Oh, I see it. It's right there. Oh, we could jump? Wish I had known that before. Also check it. Yeah, you said that 1,000 times. Well, I'm glad for your help. Alright. Let me go back around. Alright, time to go search for our last mission. Oh crap. Guys, it's a dance party! Psych! Oh, look at that! Oh, you know what that is? That right there? That is a golden bolt. Oh, is that everybody? Oh. Alright, nice. It's a golden bullet. Oh, heck yeah! 8 out of 28. Alright. Wait, what? You mean there's 28 on this planet? What the? That's gonna be hard. Anyway, I complete my mission yet? Oh, this is a branching path.
Mr. Zircon is
Gotta be
over.
some way to blow this area up. Really? None of this?
Oh boy, out of ammo.
Alright. I for surely thought this place would lead to like someone. Or lead to that place, but I guess not. Are these doors open? No. Where am I supposed to go? Can you break these? No. These, a few of them are open for some reason, and a few of them are closed for some reason. How are you supposed to like?
Wish to take it down to Lawbacks?
Alright, Mr. Zombad. We're searching for something. Wait, what? But the area's right there. Something's not right. Huh. How would you do that? There's gotta be some sort of secret entrance that I'm not getting. Or maybe there's an entrance in here. I have no idea. What? That killed me? Alright. I guess we'll have to come search some other time. I don't know. I'm confused. I have no idea where that thing would be. Where would the... How am I supposed to get to the mission? I don't want to look at the walkthrough. I really don't. I'd rather get this done by myself. But it's to be the possible way. Unless there's some way from in here that I didn't know about. I don't think there is. Man, we got like nothing done in this episode. All we got done was defeating the Snaggle Beast and getting a gold bolt, so. But I mean, hey. Yeah. You know, I feel like it'd take too long just to do all the extra stuff. That's what I really feel like, so. Hey. Well. I guess we might as well. This is the wrong way, isn't it? Where is it? No, it's not. Alright, so I have no idea how to find that optional thing, so I'm pretty sure we'll be able to come back and do it some other time, but I guess it's time to go.
Hey, I bet the Rangers could use jetpacks. Should we head to Gas Bar and see if we can get some?
I've always wanted one of those. If you can get one, ours can build a few more for the Rangers. I hereby assign you the not at all deadly mission of acquiring one jetpack. Captain Court must fly like a bird.
Alright. Thank you all so much for watching this episode, and I will see all of you in the next video when we try to get a jetpack. Bye-bye!